Welcome to Taster Joe's! Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting living room. Oh wait, I forgot. They're much more autumnal, much more cozy. Hi guys, how's it going? It's my favorite season. It's autumn and it's a little crispy outside. It was 51 degrees this morning, which for us in California is a little chilly. It means you might want to put on a little bit of something, but it's not quite Halloween. Still got pumpkin, still got good stuff going on. But check it out. So Trader Joe's is looking a little autumnal as well. Got 4 things to try today since it is my favorite season. What do we have here? Let me put some of these down. All right, we have the Petite pumpkin spice cookies. You guys can see those. You can see the cookies. So we'll try those. We've also got a pumpkin biscotti. Now, are they pumpkin? Made with pumpkin puree and spices. So they actually are pumpkin, not just pumpkin spice. So we got those. Those look pretty good. We've also got the organic frosted toaster pastries, brown sugar and cinnamon. Feeling very autumnal. And for the last one, the one I am most excited about today because I had never seen anything like this. This is the Harvest Spice Trek Mix. It's got all kinds of good stuff in here. You can see that? Look at that, look at that, looks so good. All right, so where do we start? Let's just start with this one. It's in my hand, I'm kind of excited. Let's see what it says. It says it has a blend of roasted almonds, holiday spiced cashews. Which holiday it doesn't say, it just says holiday spice. Let's see, what else? Pecans, candied ginger, and dried apples. Now, I love all of those things, so that's kind of exciting. It says it may contain milk, almond, peanut, pecan, traces of egg, soy, wheat, peanut, and other nuts. So, yeah. It's from Trader Joe's. I'm not sure what the price was. I'm guessing it was about $4.99, $5.99. Well, let's see. 150 calories per serving, which is a quarter cup. All right. I didn't find my old snippy, so we have some new snippy. You know, I love me some snippy. All right, let's just pop this open. And the exciting thing is it does have a zip top on the top, so we can close it back up again. All right. You know, I love this part. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells good. Oh, wow, that smells really good. It smells lightly cinnamony, definitely apples. I can smell the nuts. Insert comment here. All right, let's just, let's see. So we got pieces of apple. Not hard, not crispy, kind of chewy. Your standard dry apple. All right. Let's go for, it looks like a candy-coated cashew. I love cashews to begin with, so that's not a problem. All right, and roasted almond, just your standard old-fashioned almond. Just almond, not salted or anything, just lightly roasted. And then I love spicy ginger, and there's big chunks of it. Can you guys see that? Makeup girls, check it out. I love candied ginger. I love it. Oh, the garbage can's here. Let's pause. And we're back. Now, our new house is on a cul-de-sac, so there's only like, I don't know, 6 or 7 houses, but everybody has 3 different cans, one for yard waste, one for recycle, and one for garbage, which means 3 trucks, Mondays, never quite know when it's gonna happen. So, it is what it is. All right, back to this. All right, and the last thing that's in this bag is also candied pecans. I love a pecan. All right, so I picked out one of each here. We've got all the flavors. We got the cashew, we got the apple, we got the pecan, we got the almond. Oh, I didn't realize we had 3 different nuts. And then, of course, the candied ginger. So we're gonna make, who was it used to say in my life? The perfect bite. Let's say it one more time. Okay, I don't know about you, but ginger to me adds a little bit of lift almost everything I taste, and that's really delicious. It's sweet, but with the 3 different types of nuts and the apple, it mixes together. And it doesn't taste too sweet. The spices also give it a little, you can taste a little fire in the mouth, in the back, you know, that ginger. Really good. Yeah, I might have to go back and get some more of the Harvest Spice Mix if it's just a seasonal thing, because I would eat this all year. Really good. All right, let's move on. All right, I'm just gonna go for this because I think it's kind of funny. We all know what Pop-Tarts are, so this is the Trader Joe's version. It's a frosted toaster pastry. What does it say here? It says, a far cry from the typical toaster pastries, Trader Joe's organic frosted toaster pastries are made with organic ingredients like organic wheat flour, cane sugar, organic brown sugar, organic cinnamon, and good simply organic's delicious. And there's one more surefire way to pop up one of the toaster. What? There's one surefire way to find out. Pop one in the toaster, remove it, eat, and you'll be glad you did. Well, our new home doesn't have a toaster yet. We don't eat a lot of bread, so it just, not that I don't love toast. Don't get me wrong. If I have toast, I eat all the toast. But let's give this a try. It says eat straight from the package or heated. Well, we're doing number 1. We're eating straight from the package. And anything else you need to know about this? Okay. So it has enriched wheat, brown sugar, palm kernel oil. That's not good, but it's okay. Whole wheat flour, cornstarch, rice starch, tapioca, dextrin, blah, 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 brown sugar, vanilla, sea salt, tapioca starch, honey, molasses, cocoa powder. That's cocoa powder, really? Doesn't look like it's chocolate. Caramel color, soybean oil, organic. Sold exclusively by Trader Joe's of Monrovia down in Los Angeles. 200 calories per 1 pastry. So there are a total of 6 pastries in here. I think it's probably 3 packets. So let's check it out. Yep. There are 3 packets of 2 pastries each. So looks like this. Not for individual resale. Tells you right there. Very important. All right, let's get our friends. Snippy, snippy 2, like Mark II. All right. Snippy, snippy. Snippy. Smells like brown sugar cracker. Boop, boop. It should be like doo-doo, 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 doo-doo. They're kind of stuck together. All right. So, here's the one that came out, the one in the back. You can see it has a light, look like a paint strip on it. And I'll break it for you. It's a little curved. Breaking it. Nothing new if you've ever had a Pop-Tart. All right, breaking it again, making it mouth size. It's pretty good. Very sweet. Between the sugar on the top and the sugar in the middle, this is definitely a pastry. Almost like a cookie. Almost like a cookie. You know what I'm reaching for here. Sippy, sippy, bunny, if you're watching. Oh, you know I love me some coffee. All right, one more bite. It's okay. It's okay. It's not really rocking my boat. Maybe if it was toasted, maybe if it was warm. I've never really been a Pop-Tartsy kind of fan. So, you know, those aren't making my day excited. Moving along, we have the pumpkin biscotti made with pumpkin puree and spices. Now, I'm curious about that because, as you all know, pumpkin is squash. Squash tends to be very wet when you bake with it. It's almost considered like a liquid ingredient. But biscotti means by, baked twice. So, by, to, scotti, baked twice. It's very Italian. Let's pop this open. Snippy. Got a little plastic thingy here. Oh, I bet you guys want to know what's in it. Let's see, it is unbleached flour, wheat flour, malted barley flour, niacin, reduced iron, eggs, salt, milk, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, which is cinnamon, clove, ginger, and nutmeg. Included ginger as one of those spices in pumpkin spice. That's interesting. Baking powder and baking sodium bicarbonate, cornstarch, phosphate, and natural vanilla flavor. May contain nuts or soy. Oh, that just pops right off. Left with this. All right, let's give it a smell. You know, because the smell is important. Get to it. There we go. Oh, that smells good. That smells like gingerbread. That smells nice and spicy. I keep looking out the window because I got windows to look out. That smells really good. Okay, and just to let you know, they are hard, so they are Biscotti. They are baked twice. If you like Biscotti, you will like this. It's a little dry. Have a sip. It tastes like a gingerbread cookie. It doesn't taste like a Biscotti. It tastes like a gingerbread cookie in a different shape. It has a nice crunch. One of the things I like about Biscotti is that they often have almonds in them. That when they slice them, you have the section across and it has almonds in it. These do not. These are just plain. It's good. I think I would give those about a 7 or 8. I don't know if I'd go out of my way and drive for them, but if somebody offered me a lovely espresso, I would love to have some of that with it, or just a cup of coffee works too. Okay, Biscotti, it's all right, not great. All right, that's one pretty good, 2 okays. Let's go for the 4th. Petite pumpkin spice cookies, shortbread cookies with pumpkin spice and yogurt coating. Put yogurt on everything these days now, don't they? These Petite duo of rich, crumbly shortbread cookies infused with pumpkin spice signals autumn's appearance. Boom! She's here. The orange coating is flavored with warm pumpkin spice, while the white coating is yogurt-based. Interesting. Both flavors are finished with a festive dotting of contrasting sprinkles. You were looking at the back. There's the front. The back is not that much different other than the front has the windows. Oh, that has a lot of ingredients.
So let's just look. Pumpkin shortbread with flour, blah, 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 sugar, natural flavoring, palm oil, water, cornstarch, molasses, baking, allspice, nutmeg, ginger, yogurt coating is with sugar and vegetable oil. Yeah. Oh, coloring is paprika extract and annatto.
Orange sprinkles. Oh, okay. So each different color sprinkle has so many ingredients. That's why this is so much. So probably the cookie is only that many, and that is all the sprinkles. These are 130 calories, servings per container 10. Does this look like 10 servings to you, or 2? I know, we'll just have a couple. Let's see, serving size is 4 cookies. All right, let's see what these look like. Set them down here, take a little peek. Take a little peek. And just enjoy the fire. They look like brown animal crackers. If you guys are not animal crackers, what are they called? Circus crackers, or circus cookies. They feel kind of mushy. I guess it's the waxy coating. All right. Snip it, snip it. Yes, I get to clean all that up later. All right, let's give it a smell. Oh, it does smell kind of yogurty. Interesting. All right, so let's go with the first one here. So the first one is, if I can hold that up, it's like a little pumpkin, but it's white. It's got the little specks. It tastes exactly like a circus cookie. If you know what I'm talking about, the pink ones, the white ones. I didn't taste any spice in that. Let's try another one. So that was the white one. Let's try the light brown or orange, whatever you want to call it, with the white dots. It's definitely sweet. Okay, now these to me would be extremely addictive. They're very sweet. They've got a nice crunch. Let's see if I can show you what it looks like on the inside. I'll break one here. You can see the inside. So, yeah, the Petite spiced cookies. Oh, now I'm tasting it. The after essence, I've got a little bit of the ginger, a little bit of the spice, a little bit of allspice. These are the pumpkin spice. So there you go. I would give these maybe an 8, maybe a 7. They're not super duper, they're pretty good. All right, let's see if I can hold all this up and show you guys one more time. So we got the cookies, we've got the biscottis, we've got the mix, and we've got the toaster strudel, the organic toaster pastries. All right, 4 things for you guys to try at Taster Joe's. Good. Welcome to Taster Joe's, Trader Joe's. Let me know what you think. Do you like these products? I would definitely buy this one again. So, I hope you guys are good. I'm excited. Excited to be doing videos again with you guys. And if you're enjoying this, give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments if you have some other things you want to see, or if you want to mail me something, send me a direct message or whatever. Love to taste what's going on in your world. There are more cooking videos coming. Those take time and effort, and they're a lot more involved than doing taste test videos. So my goal is 1 cooking video a week right now and 3 taste test videos. So I hope you guys are enjoying. If you do, like and share. Share with your friends. Let other people know what's going on. And I'll see you at the next Fireside Chat. Bye. Welcome to Taster Joe's.